Yes, children, you know how to find the derivative of implicit function. Now we'll discuss how to find the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric function. In second chapter, you know already what is inverse trigonometric functions. That sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, sec inverse x, cosec inverse x. These are all inverse trigonometric functions. I told you the formula of inverse trigonometric function on the first class of the when I started derivative chapter. Now we'll discuss how to find that derivatives of this inverse trigonometric function. Let's see. Let y equal to sine inverse x, or it is same as x equal to sine y. Now this is implicit function. Differentiate with respect to x, both sides. We get x derivative is 1, sin y derivative is cos y, with respect to x, y derivative is dy by dx, or dy by dx equal to 1 by cos y, or you may write 1 by cos y equal to, you may write root over 1 minus sin square y, because you know that cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x, or when you take root over cos y equal to root over 1 minus sin square y, or it is same as 1 by root over 1 minus sin y is your x, so sin y whole square, that is x square. Therefore, your formula is d by dx of sin inverse x equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. I already told you on first classes this formula. Similarly, you can find derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of sec inverse x 1 by x into root over x square minus 1, and derivative of cosec inverse x minus 1 by x into root over x square minus 1. Now all these formulas are easy to remember. One trick is that when you know the derivative of sin inverse x, just to compare sin inverse x derivative and cos inverse x, only the cos inverse x derivative minus sign. Otherwise it is same. It is different only the minus sign. Similarly, when you discuss derivative of tan inverse x and cot inverse x, here also the cot inverse x derivative is minus sign. Otherwise it is same. And when you discuss sec inverse and cosec inverse x derivatives, here also it is minus sign. Cosec inverse x is minus sign. Otherwise it is same. Like this way it is easy to remember. Now we can do some problems based on this inverse trigonometric functions. Exercise exam 5.3. Your exercise 5.3. Question number 9 to 15 are based on inverse trigonometric function. I am just doing question 10. Y equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube divided 1 minus 3x square. and the condition is given here. Here the condition is minus 1 by root 3 less than x less than 1 by root 3. Now if you use the direct formula, it will be complicated. To make it easy, you can take let x equal to tan theta or theta equal to tan inverse x. Why you will take x as a tan theta? Just you think here, if you take x as a tan theta, it is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divide 1 minus 3 tan square, which is nothing as the formula of tan 3 theta. So that's why we will take x as a tan theta. Now this becomes y equal to tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divide 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Or you may write the same as y equal to tan inverse tan 3 theta, or y equal to 3 theta, because you know that tan inverse of tan x equal to x when x lies in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi by 2 less than x less than pi by 2. So for that we may write y equal to 3 theta means it is tan inverse x. Now it is easy to differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx equal to 3 tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, its derivative is required dy by dx equal to 3 by 1 plus x square. Now you can ask question, why this is given? This is given because I told tan inverse of tan x equal to x when x lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That means the domain lies in this interval. So for that, you are supposed to check here whether it is 3 theta lies in this interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 or not. Let's check. We may write minus 1 by root 3 less than x means we take as tan theta less than 1 by root 3, or it is same as tan minus pi by 6 less than tan theta less than tan pi by 6, or it is same as minus pi by 6 less than theta less than pi by 6. But here it is given 3 theta, so multiply 3 both sides. Minus 3 pi by 6 less than 3 theta less than 3 pi by 6, which is nothing as minus pi by 2 less than 3 theta less than pi by 2. So as 3 theta lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, then tan inverse of tan 3 theta equal to 3 theta. For this reason, this condition is given. So it is better if you do this one, otherwise you can leave it. You can do just this one. It is also sufficient to get the mass. Again, we will do one more problem. All of you clear it? Let's see, we will do one more problem on this exercise. Question number 14. Exercise 5.3, question number 14. Y equal to sin inverse 2x multiply root over 1 minus x square. Here the condition is minus 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1 by root. Now in this case you can take x as sin theta, because if you take x as sin theta, then it is 2 sin theta multiply root over 1 minus sin square theta is nothing as cos theta. So which is 2 sin theta into cos theta is same as sin 2 theta. So sin inverse of sin 2 theta will be 2 theta. Then it will be easy to differentiate. That's why we will take let x equal to sin theta or theta equal to sin inverse x. Therefore, your equation is y equal to sin inverse x. What is it? 2 sin theta into root over 1 minus sin square theta, or y equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta into cos theta, or y equal to sin inverse sin 2 theta which is equal to 2 theta, or y equal to 2 theta equal to sin inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx equal to 2 sin inverse x derivative is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Therefore dy by dx is this. So it is easy. You can do. So like this way you are supposed to do this exercise. Exercise 5.3 is your homework. Any doubt you can ask me in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.